So continuing the nature of roots. So we have a question. P x square minus 6x plus p equals to 0, and they want the value of p if roots are equal. So हम यहाँ पर अगर देखें तो a जो है वो p के बराबर है, b जो है वो -6 है और c जो है वो p के बराबर है. क्योंकि रूट्स इक्वल हैं, so d should be equals to b square minus 4ac is equals to 0. ये हो जाएगा -6 का स्क्वायर माइनस 4 ac equals to 0. फिर हो जाएगा 36 minus 4p square is equals to 0. 36 is equals to 4p square, कैंसिलेशन करेंगे and then root लेंगे both side, तो p will be equals to plus minus 3. Okay, now we have another question which they are asking that 2x square minus 4x plus 3 is equals to p, and they are asking that if this equation has equal roots. So if roots are real. So basically they are saying that roots are real. So let's take a look here. यहाँ पर आप देखें जब d greater than 0 था तो रूट्स हमारे पास रियल थे. जब d इज इक्वल्स टू 0 था तो इसका मतलब हमारे पास यहाँ भी रूट्स रियल थे. सो इसका मतलब मैं यहाँ पर एक नोट बना सकता हूँ कि if I need real roots then d should be greater than equals to 0. So here a is basically 2, b is -4, while c जो है वो 3 minus p हो जाएगा. So we will be using d, that is b square minus 4ac, and should be greater than equals to 0. Now this becomes -4 square minus 4, a is 2, while c is 3 minus p greater than equals to 0. 16 minus 8. So now this becomes 16 minus 8 into 3 is 24, plus 8p greater than equals to 0. So this becomes -8 plus 8p greater than equals to 0. So 8p greater than equals to 8. And now by dividing by 8 I get p is greater than equals to 1. Now we have another question. They are asking that find a range of m for which roots of mx square plus 2 is equals to x into x plus 3 are not real. So not real means that b square minus 4ac should be less than 0. So this is -3 whole square minus 4 ac less than 0. 9 minus 8 m plus 8 less than 0. So 17 minus 8 m less than 0. 17 less than 8 m. 17 by 8 less than m, or m greater than 17 by 8. Okay, we have a question in which they are asking, find range of k if roots of x square minus 2kx plus k square minus 2k is equals to 6 are real. Okay, so here we should write it like x square minus 2kx plus k square minus 2k minus 6 is equals to 0. So now a is 1, b is minus 2k, and c is k square minus 2k minus 6. So it's been given that roots are real. So d, that is b square minus 4ac, should be greater than 0, greater than equals to 0. So this becomes minus 2k whole square minus 4 ac. C is k square minus 2k minus 6. This becomes 4k square. This becomes 4k square minus minus plus 4 into 2 is 8 minus minus plus, and 4 into 6 is 24. So this becomes 8k greater than equals to minus 24. So it becomes k greater than equals to minus 3. Okay, we have another question. They are asking us to show that if p greater than minus 3 upon 2, roots of 2x square plus p is equals to 2 times x minus 1 are not real. So in this question, a is b, b is 3b, and c is p plus q. So for distinct roots, b square minus 4ac should be greater than 0. So that becomes b square minus 4ac greater than 0. This becomes 9p square minus 4p square minus 4pq greater than 0. This becomes 5p square greater than 4pq. So p से p अगर हम कैंसिल कर दें तो ये हो जाएगा 4p greater than 5p greater than 4q. So this becomes 5p upon 4 greater than q, or we can say q is less than 5p upon 4.